Hi there, welcome to 10 Minutes English. Today we are going to learn more about simple present tense using verb form in simple present tense. In this class, you are going to learn how to use first form of verbs in simple present tense with different subjects. You know, we have 7 subject pronouns: I, we, you, they, and he, she, it. So, when you use the first form of verb in simple present tense with the subjects he, she, it, the verb is usually written with S. If you look over here, verb plus S. We add S in the first form of verb. Now, how to add the S in first form of verb? We've got a few ways adding S in the form of verb. Okay, let's get started. The first thing, if your verb ends on letter CH, I mean if in the end of the verb there are letters CH, or you can say T sound, Ch sound, or SH, or Sh sound, or S sound, or X sounds, and O. We usually add ES in the end to use these form of verbs with the subject he, she, and it. For example, we have here a verb that is catch. Catch. In the end, you can see the verb ends on the letter CH, ch sound. So we add S with the help of E in the end. We add ES in the end, and it becomes catches, not cats. That becomes catches. Okay? It is pronounced into 2 parts. Catches. Catches. Okay, number 2. If your verb ends on letter Y before a vowel, okay? Your verb ends on letter Y and there's a vowel letter before it, so you only add S in the end. And play, play. There is A before Y, that is a vowel letter, so we only add S, and it becomes plays, plays. And third, if your verb ends on letter Y, and there's a consonant letter, okay? So we change Y into I and then add ES. Or sometimes we say we change Y into IES. We change Y into IES. But instead of Y, we put IES in the end. Now here you have a verb, cry. So Y is the ending letter, and before it there is R, that's a consonant letter. So you put IES in place of Y, or you change Y into IES, it becomes cries. Now, just look at some sentences here. With subject I, we, you, and they, we use verb without S, that is play. I play. I play cricket. He plays cricket. Now remember, whenever you use first form of verb with he, she and it, you add or you put s in the end. I play cricket. He plays cricket. Okay? I watch dramas. I watch dramas. But she watches. Over here, yes, because of she, we put es in the end. She watches movies. Here, we can use these forms of verb telling about or talking about things you do and your friend does. Okay? I'm going to talk about things I do and things my friend does. Okay? I go to school for teaching, obviously, not for learning, but she works in a bank. I go to school, but she works, not work, because we are talking about a third person singular. We say works. She works in a bank. I have my breakfast in the morning at 7 o'clock. She has her breakfast at 8 o'clock. I have, but she has. Okay? I ride my bike to school. I ride my bike to school, but she drives. She drives, not drive, drives. She drives her car to her job. So I hope the idea of using first form of verb in simple present tense would be clearer to you. For more practice, just download some exercises from internet and practice it. So that's all for today. Till then, bye-bye.